What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I have a bunch of skaters that are going to tell you their very best advice for other roller skaters. Tune in because we've got some great advice coming your way. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating, or if you are interested in starting to roller skate, then you should hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post, which is every week. And head on over to cheerstothequeers.com because that's where I sell all sorts of cool roller skate and non-roller skate accessories. And every purchase you make there helps to support this channel and helps to support me.
How you guys doing? I'm Jameson, owner of Skate and Learn, and my best advice for roller skaters, especially if you're starting, is it doesn't matter who you are, what your balance is. As long as you keep going, you get better. It's automatic, as long as you stick with it. So don't rush it. Be patient. The journey is the best part, not the ending, because the truth is, in skating, the ending is when you're too old to keep going, right? So enjoy the journey, enjoy getting better with time.
Hey y'all, my name is Wendell Phipps. I am a dance skater from LA. My best advice for roller skaters right now, this is gonna be for the dance skaters. I know that roller skating is a big world. It's got a whole universe and everybody's into their own thing. For dance skaters specifically, if you're not gonna do it to the music, don't do it. It's a dance at the end of the day. And my advice is that everything you practice it 20,000 times, but practice it to the music where possible. If you're practicing your little sit spin, like my little sit spin, try to stop it or start it on a beat. You know what I'm saying? If you're doing it downtown, make sure you're on that right 8 count. That kind of thing. That's how I like to learn, and that's the advice I'd like to impart to other dance skaters out there.
Okay, hi, I'm Chris. Okay, my best advice for roller skaters. That's a really good question. I think the first thing that comes to mind is like, do it because you love it, you know? Like, let that be the driving force. If you don't love it, you don't have to do it, but like, I don't see how you couldn't love it. So I guess that would be my advice, is like, enjoy it 100%.
Skate Mafia High Rollers, New York City.
Yay! Represent.
The best advice for new skaters?
Any skater, any roller
skater. Practice at home by yourself. You're not gonna learn with a bunch of people around you all the time. And practice your balance. Because if you have your balance without the skates, your balance with the skates better. Just get comfortable with lifting your legs and you'll be fine.
Listening to your body and knowing when you should or shouldn't push it or when you need to rest is one of the best pieces of advice that someone gave me. And it's really helped me to be able to just lengthen the duration of my skating, whether it's in a session or it's in consecutive days in a row, or whether it is just in my skate journey in general. So listen to your body, listen to what it's saying to you, and give your body what it needs.
I'm Beto Lopez, Moon Cricket Films, and the question is, what's my advice on roller skaters? My main advice is for all roller skaters, beginners, and even some that's been around for a while that might still be having some trouble in their balance and falling. I say, especially to the kids, think of your very favorite comic book character, cartoon character like Spider-Man. If you're thinking about to fall, go into that favorite move that Spider-Man does, and you're definitely gonna catch yourself from falling. Or you can say Kung Fu Panda, or Bruce Lee, any kind of Kung Fu stance. Watch some yoga, or practice some yoga, and do some Tai Chi, practice some Tai Chi and stuff, and your balance is gonna be so much better. Just get that leg staggered, and you'll be all good, and it's all about balance. And never give up, just stay focused. Don't beat yourself up. Don't rush and think just because you see folks on the internet learning so fast, don't put pressure on yourself, because a lot of us put 20, 30, I've done this for over 40 years, and we're all still students. No matter if we're an OG, we all continue to learn new things. And it only continues to get better. So don't rush yourself, because rushing is how you get hurt. And if you don't want to get hurt, hey, safety's first. Focus on that.
Hey, my name is Fatima, and my best advice would be to, when bend your knees, make sure to bend your knees, but also look where you're going, because wherever you're looking at, that's where you're going.
My best advice for skaters is just have fun. So do what brings you the most joy, and if you're doing something that you're not enjoying, don't do it. Do something else that's fun.
All right, what's up? My name is John. I'm from New York City. I'm known as the New York City native. I've been rollerblading for about 32 years. I love roller skating. I grew up in Central Park, hanging with the circle and doing our thing there. So some advice that I could give that applies to both rollerbladers and roller skaters is always take your time, use your balance. You want your center of gravity to be as low as possible, whether you're dancing or doing tricks or flowing, cruising, whatever, right? Hands in front if you need to, especially if you're a beginner. And the more comfortable you get, you can start to stand up and like just be free flowing, but like take your time, stay low, and be easy and have fun. Easy.
Sarah Kuntz. My advice for roller skaters is to be patient with yourself, because especially when you're starting out, you haven't developed those muscles yet, or if you're starting a new move, you haven't developed those muscles yet. So once you get those muscles, you're gonna be popping those moves out so easily. So be patient with yourself. And my other piece of advice would be to be easy on yourself, because you have to let yourself go to learn moves properly. You have to be willing to make a fool of yourself. You have to be willing to mess up the moves and not look good to get there eventually, and then eventually look good.
Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can find all of the people in this video down below in the caption and in the comments, so you can follow them on Instagram or wherever they are at. And I hope that you take a little time today and you get your roller skates on, or you start thinking about getting those roller skates on. And also head on over to cheerstothequeers.com. Get some roller skate accessories for yourself, get something cute, and every purchase that you make helps support me and this channel. So thank you so much ahead of time, and most importantly, cheers to the queers!